Welcome. Today we will take a look at some of the newest and most innovative delivery systems. Artificial intelligence and cutting-edge algorithms has opened a world of new solutions that can help us in our day-to-day life. Technology like autonomous delivery can be used in a wide variety of industries, and that's why a lot of companies have set out to modernize their form of delivery. First on the list is Robomart, a small mini-mart on wheels. It is engineered with cutting-edge technology, including driverless tech for autonomy and teleoperations, a Chipreader and computer vision-based checkout-free system, and purpose-built refrigeration and temperature control. The bots are now used by grocery store chain Stop Shop to deliver groceries to its customers. When customers want to buy some groceries, they simply tap a button in a smartphone app to request the nearest Robomart. Once it arrives, they head outside, unlock the doors, and pick the products they want. Robomart tracks what customers have taken using patent-pending, grab-and-go, checkout-free technology and will charge them and send a receipt accordingly. Sexed Up, a six-wheeled ground drone from Starship Technologies. Equipped with a sensor suite that includes cameras, GPS, and inertial measurement units, the robot can deliver items within a 6 km radius. It has a large compartment to hold deliveries equivalent to the size of 2 grocery bags with a maximum weight of 10 kilograms. Once the robot has arrived at the customer, the compartment is opened using a unique code generated after placing the order from a smartphone app. In March 2017, Domino's entered into a partnership with Starship Technologies to use the latter's robots as personal delivery devices. The company plans to distribute thousands of robots across campuses around the world by 2020. Drone adoption is growing rapidly among both consumers and companies, and the retail industry is leading the way in that adoption. Drones could serve different purposes for retailers, but drone delivery is the most well-known and readily apparent. Drone delivery services show enough potential that Amazon, Alphabet, and other tech giants are hailing it as the future of e-commerce fulfillment. Many major retail and logistics companies around the world are testing drone delivery services and drone delivery systems to solve any of the problems that come with drone deliveries. Amazon describes their vision for their Prime Air unmanned delivery project like this: a future delivery system from Amazon designed to safely get packages to customers in 30 minutes or less using unmanned aerial vehicles, also called drones. Prime Air has great potential to enhance the services we already provide to millions of customers by providing rapid parcel delivery that will also increase the overall safety and efficiency of the transportation system. There is no doubt that the unmanned delivery systems that are being developed have great opportunity in a wide range of applications. It serves as a great technology to avoid human contact and is therefore great to have in a pandemic like the coronavirus. In not long, one of these unmanned delivery systems will show up at your doorstep with a delivery. Which one of these inventions are you most excited to see? Leave a comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe.